What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to give you the absolute fastest way to make a staircase in SketchUp. Alright, so in 3D modeling with SketchUp, stairs are one of the more frustrating things for some people to make because it's time consuming, it's kind of non-rectangular, and it seems like it could take a lot of time. But there's a really fast method to do this. So to start, make a rectangle that's the base shape of how many of the space that your staircase takes up. So if you had 12 stairs that were 3 feet wide. So your stairwell's 3 feet wide and they have 10-inch runs on each staircase. 12 stairs is going to give you 36 inches wide and then 120 inches long. But then if they have, let's say, 8-inch rise from step to step, 12 stairs is going to make it 8 feet tall. So make this three-dimensional cube that basically could hold your staircase inside of it. And then draw a line from bottom left to top right, and then take this line, one of the vertical corners, right click the vertical line and do divide, and then you can either type in or physically drag up and down along the line how many total segments you want it divided into. But you should see now, if you run your draw tool up and down the line, you can see where each segment starts and stops. So go ahead to the bottom segment and just draw a horizontal line from the edge to your diagonal line, and then delete out the diagonal line. Then grab the vertical and horizontal segment of just that stair, grab the move tool, hit the bottom left of these, hit control and then drag it up into position where it should go. Go ahead and click it in there, but then type star 11 or star however many additional steps you need. So you have the first step. So do your total number of stairs times 1, and then it is going to copy that pattern down the object. And then you can get rid of this top excess by just using the extrude tool, the push tool, and just get rid of it. And then if you want to get rid of the excess on the underneath as well, you can go ahead and just draw a line that shows like your stringer. So you can make it sort of relative to the other stairs, or you can do actual measurements if you want. But then you can also push that excess away, and there you go. In like 2 minutes, you get an entire basic staircase that looks really good. And all of a sudden now, you can have a 2-story model going on. So super useful tutorial, super quick. I hope you found it enjoyable. If you do want to see anything specific in the future, just let me know about it in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for tons more content just like this coming out all the time. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your projects. Bye.